If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Let's take a look at the next question. Find the top country of sales for each support rep. So for this we would need employees table, which would join with customers table on employee ID equals to support rep ID, and then we'll join the customers table to the invoices table. Let's start building the query. So first let's call employees. Since we want only sales for the employees who have any sales, we will use inner joins. Customer C on employee ID equals C dot support rep ID, inner join invoices on customer ID I dot customer ID. Now what all we need is the employee name, so let's start with that. Concatenation. Then we need the sales by country, so let's add billing country, then let's add total, and let's use a window function for ranking. Partition by employee ID, order by sum of total descending, then use group by. Let's see the output. So we can see for each sales rep we have country with their total sales and respective ranks. Now since we need only the top countries, instead of cities we can also use subquery, so let's use that this time. Select employee name, country, sales from, enclose this and use a where clause, rn equals so on. Let's see the output. So we can see for each of the sales rep we just have the top countries.